beyond irritated. Because I'm thinking, I'm about to start school. I'm going to knock these 2 years out. I'm going to be the best registered nurse there is. Because I'm a patient care tech right now, and I love it. I love my job. And I work for shock trauma. And I love my job. It's so interesting. I be so intrigued with everything. Like, I just want more. Like, I want to be, yes. Like, I love the money. I do. But I love my job. My patients love me. They be knowing me by name. They knows me by name. They ask me by name. When they leave, they want to give hugs. They say they going to miss me. Everything. Like, they love my baths. Everything. Like, my patients love me and I love my patients. Like, I build a bond with them. I love my job.